My name is Judy Langford. I'm with Guaranty Bond Bank, and I'd like to discuss with you the different ways of applying for a mortgage loan. You may apply online to our internet, which is gnty.com, and go to mortgage services. You may come into the bank and sit down in my office, and we can do an application and take all of your financial information. I can email to you an application, or I can fax to you an application. I'd like to tell you the type of loans that we have. We do FHA, VA, conventional, and USDA. The differences in the loans are FHA requires a 3.5% down payment, and their guidelines are somewhat more liberal than conventional financing. VA financing is typically for veterans. It's 100% financing. Conventional financing, the max that we can finance is 95%. Credit scoring on conventional financing is a little bit more scrutinized than the government ones are. Our minimum score for FHA is 640. Our minimum score for VA is 620. And our minimum score for conventional is 620. We also offer USDA loans that are conventional government-backed loans that are for loans that are originated for properties outside the city limits of Texarkana, Texas, or Arkansas. These loans are 100% financing. Also, I would like to give you information about what is needed to apply for a mortgage loan. I'll be looking for the most current 1 month's pay stub, your tax returns for the last 2 years along with your W-2s, and with all your schedules, bank statements on each asset that you have for the last 2 months, and of course a contract of sale if you're presently buying a property. We also do pre-qualifications for customers that are looking for properties. You may come into the bank or use any of our methods of applying to have your income looked at, your credit report, and to determine what price range loan that you would need to start. Once you've applied for a loan here at Guaranty Bond Bank, we try to determine what product best fits your need according to your assets, your funds available to close, and also by your credit score. Yes, we try to evaluate your financial status at the time of application to put you in the product that helps you the most, that is best for you. We like to see that you have stayed in the same line of work. A 2-year work history is required. For those people that are coming out of school and just starting the job, we look at your school transcripts to see that your education is in the line of work that you're currently working in. You do not have to have 2 years with the same employer, but we do like to see a 2-year consistency of employment without large gaps. We look for probability of continued employment with your employer. If you've been there for, say, on a short period of time, maybe less than 6 months, we look for your probability of continued employment. We also look for any large gaps in employment and the reason why there were large gaps. On assets to close, we look at how you obtained your assets to close, whether it was from a sale of another house, it was a gift from a parent, if it's money that you've saved over a period of time that in order to buy a house.